My name's Henry. My name's Henry Mary. Spider-Man No Way Home. Spider-Man Very Strange Day. To do that after. First up to him, he was every time. Spider-Man there. It's Spider-Man. Happy in May for working for Spider-Man. Everyone knows. I see you know him. Together, Mr. James and Lewis to him. About it together. All together. Spider-Man is sick. He's very sick today after they take it to him. MJ and Nerd, but never cutbacks. Because it's so weird. Sometime in the future, supposed fun, supposed new. Hold on. Could be wait. Spider-Man there. And there's Doctor Strange. Could be wait. Spider-Man there. To Spider-Man there. Is there. Together. Have fun today, the Christmas and the house over today. The Christmas to the end of the house. The stairs to the Doctor Strange. The coffee. Spider-Man there. The Doctor Strange is there. And the mirror to him. Together, the Doctor Strange. Once again, to Hamlet to Europe. Spider-Man there. Have fun today. Together, all the best friends. Have fun today. Because it's happy. Because it's happy today. Every time that the time is up. Snowball fight. Every New York. So just then the Doctor Strange in the hell. To hammer it also him. Because it's not out of falling in the hell. The moment today. Honor your home. The home. Think of Henry's room. The coffee. All it is a family to him. That's coffee. Thank you for today. Queens. All for the time of New York. Thank you so much, everyone. And thank you for so much on him. Enjoy this video. Made for kids.